Hey guys, Adi Crafty JC, and look what's on my chair. What am I gonna do with you? Say hi to YouTube. You don't want to be on YouTube? No? Hey guys, this is Adi Crafty JC, and it's nearly Chinese New Year, so I'm going to be making some cute little wraps like this one. You will need paper, colourful paper like this from an old magazine, some scissors, a glue stick, pens and pencils. I'm using white stickers for the ears and the eyes. And if you want to, you can use some pom-poms for the nose, like on this little cutie. Ding, ding. You also need something to draw around. Now, let's go! First, I'm going to do the body with a Sharpie. It's going to get messy. But at least I can see it. Snippy, snipperoo. There we go. Nice body. So, I need to flip my piece of paper over, fold it in half, unfold it, draw a line where the little bitty crease is. Then you cut about. So you cut a line up to the middle, or the line in the middle. Yes, I think that's correct statement. And I did not cut it enough. Oh, I'm satisfied. So then we're just gonna go whoop-de-doo-doo and make a cone shape. First I need to glue it. So sticky outy bits, isn't it? Yeah. Poof, new piece of paper. Now, with this poof new piece of paper, we need to make a tail. There we go. So this is our lovely little tail. Curl it. You need to wrap it around your finger, however many times you like. I'd like it that many times. Oopsie. Now it's nice and curly. I shall put glue on the end of it and attach it to where the little rat's beauty would be. Ba-da-bum. It's a nice cute little tail. I like it. Might not be too curly, but I like it, so don't judge me. Now, for the glorious head, I'm going to fold a piece of paper in half. It doesn't have to be a perfect fold as long as it's fold in half. Drawing half a heart, which will soon become a whole heart, which is the glorious head of the rat. I think we should do this side. It looks like a miscoloured watermelon. Now, the glorious white stickers for the eyes and the ears. Ears first. Ears, eyes. Putting on the Sharpie to outline the eyes. That looks kind of creepy, to be honest. Just an eye socket. We need a pupil. Now, to outline the ears, I'm going to use a blood red. I'm not a psychopath. So, my mum cut the whiskers. They're blood red as well. One side may be shorter than the other, but I think that's good because no human nor animal face is symmetrical. Now I'm going to attach this head to this body using this little strip. It's kind of like a neck. So what you do, just gonna put a little bit of glue over here, not too much. I think I put that in a really bad spot. Thankfully, it wasn't very well stuck. Oh, look, all the little rat watching me attach. I can't do that voice anymore. Watching me attach their friend's head to his/her body. I like it. This is the finished group of rats. This is the finished rat that we made. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And bye!